Hey everyone, my name's Aaron and I'm a realtor in Houston, Texas. I love working with home buyers. My favorite part? Being able to educate and guide them through the confusing home buying process, step by step. That's why I decided to create this series of videos. I hope you enjoy them. I'd love to help you with the purchase of your next home, and if you're not in my area, I'd be happy to help you find someone near you. It gets complicated. Hire an expert to help you. Here we are at the finish line. Our option period's ended and we're satisfied with the repair negotiations. The title company has completed all of their work and calculated all of the fees and taxes and other closing costs. The lender has fully approved you as the buyer and has had the home appraised, and they've signed off on the loan. They've given us what we call the clear to close. At this point, we'll schedule a time with the title company, and here's what you can expect. It's closing day. We show up at your office. Then what happens?
The magic happens. That's when someone gets to sell a home and then new property owners become home buyers, possibly for the first time. Possibly they are moving into a larger home to accommodate a growing family, or possibly instead of downsizing, they're right sizing because maybe they are empty nesters at this point. So all the blood, sweat, and tears have happened. That's been done. We arrive at closing. We have a closing package from the lender. We execute closing documents at the table. The seller typically will come in directly before the buyer does. We will sign them, they will leave. The buyers arrive, we sign their closing documents. It generally typically takes about an hour. At the completion of signing, the lender will usually require a certain set of documents to review to give us funding approval. We send those over. The lender's funding award arrives. The buyers have completed signing. We receive funding review and approval, and it is done. We turn over keys, and they are out the door to celebrate.